Hey, you have headphones?
No, I don't. Why? I forgot to bring them.
Cause I snore.
Huh?
Cause I snore.
I couldn't hear you.
I snore.
Oh. Oh, I see. Well, I snore too, so we can compete. Want to buy something in the garage sale?
I got any cash? Hey, when the guy was saying, because I was at the beginning when I got there, I started asking people like, is anybody here like a veteran of like the 20, years of
Yeah.
of this ride? And he said, no, the guy that's gonna be there that started it, supposedly, the first time he did it by himself,
Oh, yeah?
And so I got to thinking like, okay, that's why I'm telling everybody the Phoenix Challenge, because during the ride,
Yeah.
I'm like, I was telling people like, who started the Phoenix Challenge? I'm like, I did. I invented it. Because yeah, there was nothing like that before,
Right.
where you ride around the beltway of Phoenix. So yeah, maybe in 20 years I'll be able to organize a bike ride like this.
Right, and then,
Uh,
what should we call it? Some goes to charity, some goes to you.
well, yeah, I mean, mainly, yeah, to do good, and like, for charity and get people out there to cycle, how great of a benefit it is
Right.
for your health, for your pocket, for your, environment. Save so much money by not having a car. And yeah, the whole thing was like in London, I worked in Chelsea and I watched these millionaires
Yeah.
walk their kids 2 blocks to school, go back home, whether they work from home or into their office on a bicycle or in a tube. And they're like, well, yeah, I'm a millionaire, but I haven't got a car. Why would I need a car,
Yeah.
They're like, public transport's so efficient, and they're like millionaires, it's like, ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hola. Yeah, man, and that's how I kind of like thought about it. It's like, you don't have to have a car. You don't need a car. Well, people are like, well, I got a family, I got to raise a family. Well, like, people raise families without cars too.
Makes sense.
Willow Creek Road. Yeah. Whew. Wow, those are nice, guys. These are really needed once in a while. Look at these beautiful pools people have in almost every yard back here. Wow, there's somebody digging like an in-ground actual pool. Wow. Yes, sir. On your left.